Want to start your freelancing journey, want to start your side hustle, but you don't know where exactly to get started, what are the steps you need to follow, then watch the video till the end, where I'm going to share 5 side hustle ideas you can try and earn somewhere around 30,000 to 50,000 per month. So no matter if you are a student, working professional, homemaker, that's completely okay. You can work from anywhere. You can work from your home and earn good money. You just need to learn the skills and you can get started. So the first one is social media marketing. As a freelancer, your overall duty here is to grow a company's or a client's business organically on social media. You basically handle their Instagram or LinkedIn or any social media page, and you see how well it is optimized. The bio is optimized, the highlights are optimized. You need to come up with a proper content strategy as per their business, proper hashtag strategy. You need to see what kind of stories are going, everything. So your overall focus here should be to grow their business, to grow their social media presence organically with loyal followers. And for this services, clients do pay very good amount of money. If you are a beginner who don't have any testimonials with you, who don't have any sort of work to show, then you can expect somewhere around 10k to 12k per month as a social media marketer. But if you are someone who have already worked with some clients and you have got some results to show to another client that this is what I've got results to my previous client, then you can expect somewhere between 15k, 20k, 25k as well, depends on what kind of results you have got to your previous clients. Now second and third is content writing and copywriting. These two are like different skill set but are basically combined here. Content writing, in a very simple word, is something where a content is written from very value point of view, where the value is been delivered there. Copywriting is something where you advertise a product or a service, for example Facebook ad copy. So that is called as copywriting. You can again earn very good amount here. Again, it depends. If you're a beginner, then of course 10k to 12k ke beech mein. Then if you're a very good copywriter who have some good amount of work to show, then you can earn somewhere around 15k, 20k, depends on the project as well. But I do have a video which is basically talking specifically about content writing versus copywriting. It will be somewhere linked here, so make sure you check that if you want to know the difference between these two. So the fourth one is virtual assistant. Now virtual assistant is something which is trending. So after COVID, all the businesses have gone online and business owners have no idea how do you handle the administrative work, the marketing stuff, etc. So they hire virtual assistant. So now in simple word, it's basically like an assistant to someone but virtually. For example, if you are in Delhi and I'm in Bangalore, I can be your virtual assistant, but I'm working from Bangalore. It's like assistant to you but virtually, working remotely. It's like that. And virtual assistants can earn very good amount of money. So they are someone who have multiple skill sets with them. For example, handling marketing stuff, handling administrative stuff, handling tech stuff, everything. They are basically a combination of all, you can say. So they can earn very good amount of money. Again, if you have very good work to show, then you can earn somewhere around 30k, 40k, even 50k. But if you don't have any work to show, then you can expect somewhere around 20k, 25k also. So guys, if you have watched the video till here, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon and the like button as well, and share it to other people. It will really help in boosting this video and reaching out to more people. So coming back, the fifth one is website designing and development. As I said, after COVID, all the businesses have gone online and each and every business requires a website. So if you are someone who has a really good hands-on experience on graphic designing, who's really interested in designing stuff, then you can become a website designing and development. So you have to basically reach out to this kind of people who really require this website for their business, and you can be the person to win. So you can take up these projects and you can get started with that. And if you are a beginner, then you can somewhere expect around 12k to 20k around. If you are a beginner but you have a really good experience with them, then you can aram se earn 25 to 30k with website designing and development. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. These were the 5 side hustle ideas you can start in 2022 and earn very good amount of money, no matter if you're a student, working professional, or homemaker. So get started with this. And as I always say, I do have my Instagram page where I put a lot of kick-ass amazing content around freelancing, how do you get started, how do you get clients, everything. So make sure you also follow me here on Instagram. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.